Today, in this tutorial, I would love to talk about the Python operators. Really, it's very important for us to know before we go deeper. So first of all, I just want to say what is operators. So operators are special symbols in Python that carry out arithmetic or logical computation. So basically, I thought maybe all of you have already lots of knowledge about operators from mathematical terms, but some of the operators may be new for you, so I would like to talk about with those operators, or really that's a very important for us to know in the beginning level in Python. So we can see Python divides the operators in the following groups. So first of all, arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, identity operators, membership operators, and bitwise operators. But today I don't love to talk about all the operators because all are not necessary. I thought maybe in this beginning level. So first I just give a short introduction with the Python arithmetic operators. That's a very important for us to know. Just we will start the if-else statement and the looping system. So those operators are very important to know. So what is arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators are used with numeric values to perform common mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponentiation, and also the floor division. In the last lesson, or maybe at the beginning of our class, we already have discussed about those operators, and I think this is very simple or pretty simple for all of you. Only the modulus is a bit new maybe. However, I just explained before modulus and exponentiation. It's like to the power square, if 2 square 2 or like that. So we will see the example later. And floor division, it's also new maybe. So if we do some operations with those operators, so we can have the bigger knowledge about the operators, floor division. So only those things are important in arithmetic operators. And now we see another operators, Python assignment operators. So what is this? Python assignment operators are used to assign value to variables. We already have lots of knowledge about the variables, how to create a variables and how to assign the value in a variables. So we know about that, the equal sign. So that means x equal to 5. So here x is the variables and 5 is the value. So in this way, we already have some knowledge about the if-else statement or for loop. So we can also see this x plus equal to 1. That means x equal to x plus 1. And we can also just write x minus equal to 3. That means x equal to x minus 3, like that. So those is the same things. So here the another operators, Python comparison operators. That's really a bit new because we all know about that. What is really comparison? If we just want to compare any things to others, so that's time we need those comparison operators. So equal to, I already mentioned in Python when we write a condition, so we will always use 2 times equal, and also not equal if maybe it's necessary when we write a if else statement. So if x equal to y, so it's equal, and if x equal to not y, so we can use this exclamatory equal to b. So if A not equal to B, the value will be not the same. So we can use these operators. And less than, greater than, we have also know about that. It's also not new for us. And less than, equal to, that means the value will be bigger than B, or it might be equal to B. So we can also use these operators. And greater than or equal to is the same like that. So maybe we have also not found not so difficult in these operators. After that, we can see Python logical operators. That's really new for all of you because we didn't use still the logical operators. So what is logical operators? Logical operators are used to combine conditional statements. So those three are the logical operators, and or not. And when we use and, returns true if both statements are true. When we write any statements and it returns Boolean value like that, true or false, such like that example. So if it's written true or both statements, here I just wrote an example, x greater than 5 and x greater than 10. So if one of this statement is true, so here we just use and. So it returns true. If from two of the statement, one is true, only one, another is false, however, it returns true. And or statement, if returns true, it returns true if one of the statement is true. So we can also, it's look like and. So this one, either this one is true or this one is true. If one statement is true, so we can see result will be shows us true. And not, what is not? Reverse the result, returns false if the result is true. So here not, that means if both statements are not true, it returns false. So these three operators are pretty new for all of you. So after these operators, we will go deeper in the if else statements and true false, sorry, if else statement, and also we will do some while loops, for loops, so we can use those operators. That reason I want to give a short introduction with the operators, and hope all of you have no problem. If you have any problem, please let me know. And right now it's all of the operators. We have really more operators in Python. If someone want to learn more, they can also Google it and also see some tutorials. So it might be great for those, but for my class, I just want to give this short discussion because I will use only those operators, and especially for me, I think it's enough. Okay, bye for today.